CJ Y Money Entertainment. And if you've never been to my channel before, I love boxes. And if you have, hi honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And when I get a box, most people know. And if you don't, you will.
Yeah, we don't want to do anything to scare your children. That's the last thing we want to do. We don't want to scare anybody.
Let's open this box up and see what's inside. Woohoo! Cut like butter, like butter. Let's see. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's another box. No, I don't need knife for this one. And I'm so excited. It slides. I love slides. It's just a happy, cloudy day here. Wow. This looks nice. What else is in the box? It's instructions. And if you don't know, because you're new to my channel, I don't do nothing without reading the instructions. So, I'm going to read these instructions, and then I'm going to come back with detail and tell you what I found out about these solar lights. Lights. See you soon. Okay, let's look at this unit further up close. And in the bag, I took out everything. Here is to turn it on and off. There's the on and off right there. You just stick it in and hit it and turns it on and off. That little round clear button is the motion sensor. So when anything passes in front of it, it gets brighter. Your solar panel on the back. Right here, you have your bracket. And to unhook your bracket, up. Okay. And your bracket comes off, which is great because you can always take this off and be easy to put this back on. And this is the bracket that you're going to end up putting on. One thing I did notice, let's get an up close view, is that when you install these, you want to make sure that this flat head is all the way down into the wood or whatever that you're putting in, because it needs to be flat to be able to slide back in and out of this. It can't be up like this. It has to be total flatness. So automatically comes on at night, but a very dim light. If something passes through here, then it becomes brighter. Sunset, it goes off. These panels on the side causes a wider angle view. Charging time takes about 6 hours. All right, let's install it. Okay, this is the above view of the solar light installed. And this is it down below. It was very quick and easy to install. The light automatically comes on when it gets dark. That's what it is. And as I come up, it becomes brighter. And then I'm going to back up so you can see how wide the light shows. That's a nice wide view. Throw the lights up. Likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee.